Hey, Sacred Sisters, do you want to add more power to your spells? Stay tuned and I'll show you how with ginger. Hey, Sacred Sisters, we're back with ginger herbal magic. Ginger. A very interesting looking herb, but one of my favorite, which I have a long list of favorites, so go figure. Well, here's some organic ginger that I'll probably be juicing or shredding up, putting in some food, boiling, drinking, so many things you can do. This is called the rhizome. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. But this is the part that once you buy it, if you fail to do anything with it, it will start to sprout. There's one little sprout coming up right there. See those little, there's a bunch of them. Those little white or cream smooth edges popping out. Looks like a little bit like a garlic clove. Those are the sprouts. That means they're ready to grow. So if you wanted to grow this, you pretty much would just, break this up and plant this in the dirt pretty deep. And in no time, it starts sprouting. You get these long flowers, or not flowers, leaves sprouting up, sort of look like long blades of grass. I have some in the back, and I'm going to wait and give it some time so it can grow before I dig it up. So with that, we'll jump right into the gardening facts. It needs rich, moist soil, well-drained soil. It's a subtropical plant. You must keep the soil moist. And it's grown from the rhizomes, which are these. And what's interesting is turmeric looks very similar to this, a little smaller and, of course, deeper orange. Magick. It is a masculine energy. Mars has fire energy. And for spells, you can use it for love, money, success, and power. And to speed up things. Medicinally, it's anti-emetic, which helps with motion sickness. It's a carminative. It stimulates circulatory system. It inhibits coughing. It's an anti-inflammatory as well as an antiseptic. So my Takayu tip for this plant is, here's what you do if you want to speed up or add power to your spells. Take a piece of take a piece of ginger, chew it. See, that fire energy is supposed to speed up or add that extra boost to the spell. Or also, you can plant some ginger rhizomes around your home, which will attract wealth, which will aid in your wealth attraction. You can use the powder, sprinkle around your home, or use it in your wealth and success spells. So it's a lot of fire energy, so you use it in spells where you want to get things like really passionately going. Like you need the extra boost, use some ginger. So with that, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more metaphysical magic tips. Subscribe to your Sacred University, Sacred Metaphysical Sisters. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.